Geneva, the city for world premieres of cars. The city where the newest cars and forward-looking innovations will be presented once a year at the International Motor Show. Especially at Daimler, there is a lot going on because the AMG GT family will have an addition to it, the Mercedes-AMG GT four-door model coupe.
In the past, people who wanted to buy a car from AMG had to decide either to go for a really sportive car or to have a family. Now we can solve this conflict by offering a four-door sports car, which obviously even gives us even more opportunities to win new customers.
As the first four-door sports car from Affalterbach, the new coupe combines a high daily comfort with a lot of possibilities of customization, as well as the most modern sports car technology.
We introduced kind of satellites at the steering wheel where you can change the functionality by the driver and you can change the functionality itself at the same knob.
The new flagship model can reach a speed of 315 kilometers per hour and has small multi-beam LED headlights, a shark nose, and an adjustable rear spoiler, which all in all makes it a typical AMG GT family member. The Mercedes-AMG GT four-door model coupe with up to 639 horsepower is a real highlight at the Geneva International Motor Show.